Alright guys, this is going to be a review of this Snaptain drone. So I actually took this out and I flew it before, but I actually deleted the footage, so I had to go back out and fly it. But that's actually pretty good because they actually marked the price down of this drone. Originally it was $199 and now it's down to $149. So I'll put a link down below in the description so you guys can go over there and check this drone out, some of the specifications and stuff of it, and then also see some of the other stuff that they have for sale on their site. Of course, it's Christmas season at the time of this video, so there's going to be prices going to be marked down and stuff. I did post stuff about Black Friday, but you guys can see that they have a couple more discounts and stuff available as well. So the biggest thing about this drone is going to be its flight characteristics. How easy was it to buy and then get out there and get it flying and stuff. I think for the price of this, you guys know that I'm just now getting more into drones, and so far I can say out of all the drones that I've had thus far, this has actually been the best one for the price, especially at $149 right now. It was $199 a couple months ago, then it went to $169, now $149. So they are marking these down, or not doing it because it's actually a cheap drone. It's actually a good drone. Me and a friend took it back out and we actually got it flying and stuff, so you'll see some more flight videos and stuff coming up in just a second with it. Now, the one thing with this drone you will have to calibrate, is one of those ones you do have to calibrate every time you actually turn the drone on. You have to calibrate it like left, and then, or turn it left, turn it right, and then turn it like long ways like this, and just turn it so it calibrates. So it only takes a few seconds to do that. That's the only thing I said the only caveat is about this drone, but I didn't actually mind doing that. I know some of the DJI drones kind of calibrate right away, and you guys see as we were taking it out there, we did run it into some stuff. That was actually me. I'm not going to blame my friend for it. We did run into a couple of things. Didn't have the guards or anything on it, but it comes with a lot of accessories and stuff too. So I'm not going to try to yap on a lot about the drone and the features and stuff, because I am going to actually take this out and use this a lot more. It does have one of the follow me features where it actually can follow you around. I do plan on actually using this drone to shoot some RC car footage too, because it actually shot really good footage in my opinion. I mean, I looked at the video quality of it and I was actually personally impressed with it, and especially at this price point, to me you just couldn't beat that at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quit my yapping in just a second, because I don't have too much more to talk about this. I mean, the flight time was about I'd say about 15 to 18 minutes or so when I flew it out there, because a friend flew it and then he actually gave it over to me, and I flew it for another 10 minutes, and we got some pretty good footage of it flying out there. I think some of the footage that I got was like 8 minutes where we were just kind of flying it around and stuff like that, but I think it's actually pretty good. So there's going to be a link below in the description to this. If you guys have had experiences with them before, put your experience down in the comments with this company. So far, this is like my second or third drone from them, and I haven't had any issues or problems with any of the previous drones I've got from them before. But thus far, this has been the best one that I've had from them so far. So like I said, I'm going to be doing more videos on this. I'll be filming some more RC car stuff with this, and then of course I'll let you guys know when I'm actually filming RC cars and kind of chasing them around, that I'm actually using this drone to shoot that footage. So let me quit my yap and I'm going to show you guys some of this footage. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. I may talk a little bit during the footage, but I doubt it, because I think the biggest thing is, like I said, seeing the video footage of the drone. I mean, it's got an adjustable camera and all that stuff on it too, and I did a little bit of that when I was flying it, but I didn't do a lot of it. But you guys will see all that in the videos. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video. Alright y'all, so for the remainder of this video, you're going to see raw, uncut footage. We took this out and we just flew it. So I don't want to try to edit this to try to promote anything. I want to show you just how the drone flew, its camera work and stuff like that. We got it down. That's me kind of walking in front. We're getting ready to get this taken off, and you guys will see it there. I'm not going to try to talk throughout this whole video, but I'll let this music play, let you guys kind of enjoy, because it was actually fun to fly around. I believe at some point in time I brought my RC truck out and we got that around too. I was trying to film it flying around and stuff as well, which was actually pretty cool. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, there's a link below in the description if you guys want to purchase this, and there's going to be a lot more footage of this coming, because I actually enjoyed actually flying this drone. It was actually really easy for me to fly once I got it going and understood some of the features, because I was using some of the toy drones and stuff like that. But I'm gonna quit my yap and let you guys enjoy the rest of this, and guys, stay tuned for the next video.